Hi, my name is Nicole Naditz and I am your lead instructor for this Classroad StarTalk program called Planning for Interactive, Authentic Language Experiences. And I am so happy that you've chosen to join us this summer. I think that we have a really exciting program prepared for you that will include 3 different guest speakers this year. We will have Christine Lanfear, Dr. Mohamed Issa, and Zoe Liu, all 3 of whom are joining us as guest instructors for this course. We are also really thrilled to welcome back our outstanding language specialists, Penny, Hajar, and David, as well as our amazing technical expert, Maria. All of us are here to support you in this program and support your work as you progress through the course. This course has 7 modules this year. The pace is intense, as it is every year. I recommend you do take a look at the calendar. Take a look at any days you know you aren't going to be available, because you'll want to plan accordingly to complete those activities ahead of time so that you aren't finding yourself in a difficult situation. We have everything set up for you in Canvas, and we look forward to interacting with you through the Canvas platform, on Flipgrid, and even in a couple of other ways that will come up with some of the activities we are doing in the course this year. So thanks again, and we will see you online.